Beginning Thursday, about 36 million American families will start receiving monthly checks from the IRS as part of the expanded child tax credit under the American Rescue Plan. Helping us break this tax credit down is Mid-Michigan Now's Leah Kamana. Leah, good morning. You spoke with a local financial professional. What do families need to know?
Good morning, Kristen. This effort by President Joe Biden increases the current child tax credit benefit of $2,000 up to $3,600. But how much you get depends on how many children you have, their ages, and your income. Here is a look at how that credit breaks down. Up to $300 a month for each child under the age of 6. Then up to $250 for each child between the ages of 6 and 17. Now, those payments start to decrease for higher income households, single filers making more than $75,000, joint returns of more than $150,000, and your payments are based on 2020 tax returns or 2019 if 2020 isn't filed and processed yet.
The families that are going to help the most are going to be those that maybe even during COVID they lost their job or hours were restricted, having a little bit of a harder time making ends meet with just normal day-to-day household bills and food and, house and, their house payment and that type of thing.
If you take a look at your screen, this is how the money will be paid out. Half of the credit will be paid out monthly, beginning July 15th through the end of the year. Then the remaining half will be a credit toward next year's taxes. Or you can opt out of the monthly payments and receive the credit as a lump sum on your 2021 tax return.
Many are calling the measures of this current tax credit a historic move as we take a look at the future to reduce just child poverty that we've seen in America. Some research thinks that this measure could reduce, the rate by nearly in half of poverty. That is a huge number.
While about 36 million American families are eligible to receive the child tax credit, not everyone has to opt in. You don't have to take it. Coming up in the next half hour, why some families may want to opt out of receiving the child tax credit, and if you opt in, the best way to utilize the money. In Flint, Leah Kamana, Mid-Michigan Now.